Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook aloo curry. First, let us gather our essential ingredients for this flavorful dish. You will need approximately 1½ pounds of potatoes, a large onion, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Also, have ready 3 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of fresh ginger, and an array of spices like turmeric, cumin, chili powder, and garam masala. These simple items form the foundation for a delicious and comforting meal. Ensure everything is prepped before you begin cooking. Once your ingredients are ready, start by peeling and cutting the potatoes into roughly 1-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly. Next, finely chop your large onion, mince the 3 garlic cloves, and grate the 1 inch of fresh ginger. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a sturdy pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook it down, stirring occasionally until it becomes soft and beautifully golden brown, which should take about 6 to 7 minutes. Now, add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pot with the onions, cooking for just about 1 minute until their aroma fills your kitchen. Next, it is time for the spices. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Cook these aromatic spices for 30 seconds, then introduce your 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Continue to sauté this mixture for about 5 minutes, allowing the tomatoes to soften and create a rich, flavorful base. Next, add the cubed potatoes to the pot, stirring thoroughly to ensure each piece is beautifully coated in the fragrant spice mixture. Pour in 2 cups of water or vegetable broth, making sure the potatoes are mostly submerged. Bring the curry to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. Finally, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Garnish with fresh cilantro, and serve your delicious aloo curry hot with rice or warm bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.